how to set the volume buttons to take pictures or record videos in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Now tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on shooting methods. In here, tap on press volume buttons 2 and then choose take picture or record video. Now we go back to camera. If you are in photo mode, you can press on the volume button to take a picture. And if you are in video mode, you can press on the volume buttons either up or volume down to start recording the video. Press on it again, we stop recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.